Everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is going to teach you our strategy that we use at Voyage Co. And this has got us numerous fundeds, numerous payouts. So we just want to kind of give it away for free and teach you the basics. And then obviously, if you join the Discord community, which is free, then we can help you adapt and the strategy to how you trade and help you make your money. So do you want a strategy that'll help make you profitable in trading? Then this is a video for you. So, we have recently made a video like this before on how we used to use it. Now, after a year's worth of backtesting and loads of data being collected and a few tweaks, we've now found the true way in which this strategy works best. So, we're starting with Asian range by Nico. So if I just delete this and show you guys indicators, Asian range, you'll see it comes up at the top, Asian range by Nico. You will have to alter the colours as it comes up grey, so some people don't like that colour. I like to have mine pink on my grey chart, it stands out enough, and it just makes it easier to see. So this ends at 5:50. Now, London markets don't open until 7 a.m. So what you want to do is just mark out our 7 a.m. with a vertical line. Now, what we're waiting for is markets to come into London session and give us a bit of a hint in which way it's going to go. So the first step in this strategy is hunting liquidity. Now, as you can see on this example I've got on the screen, the liquidity is taken just after 7 a.m. to the downside. However, when you look on the higher time frames or even on the chart further out, you can see we've been in a clear uptrend. So using my knowledge, I'm sat there thinking, right, we've taken the lows, but we're in an uptrend. We need to take out some higher time frame liquidity. So we obviously get rid of this for a second, bring that over here. So then what we had done at that point is wait for a change of character. Now we would have used this line here as change character like that. Now this has recently been changed to we only go for the change of character if it's the solid block that closes above it. So like that there. This was our solid change of character. Then what we do is we get our fib tool, which I will delete here, fib retracement, put it on the low where it took liquidity and put it up to the part that swept the highs. Now this would be on this bit here because it continued up there. Now if I show you guys this fib tool, if you go onto the settings, all you will need is 0, 0.5 and 1. As you can see by looking at mine, I've simplified mine without the numbers, etc. Because all you really need is for it to hit this middle line once it's broke structure or changed character, both the same really. So what we did, waited for retracement, and straight away Bosch retraced. Oh, retraced there. Stop loss at the bottom there. Now, if you was doing this as a mechanical trader, which is what we tell people to do in the Discord, then you would aim for 2% on that trade, or even more, you did for Asian highs. But Asian highs obviously wasn't worth it here at this point because of the way we got entry. So I actually aimed for some previous liquidity, which was the top of the Asian session from the previous week. Because I knew it was in this bullish trend, I knew it was more than likely going to come up to it at some point. Once I find where we are, there we are. So that is where we got with that. So yeah, step 1, hunt the liquidity. Step 2, check your higher time frames and find your daily bias. Step 3, if your daily bias and liquidity match, then you are looking for a trade. If they don't match, come off the charts for the day. Step 4, wait for that change of character. Make sure it is a body not a candle. Step 5, pull out your fib retracement tool from the lows to the highs of where it changed character. Step 6, wait for it to retrace, and bosh, entry can be made there. And then for stop loss, I usually tend to go to the lows, or sometimes maybe a little below the low. It's just kind of dependent how I feel, I suppose. And take profit, like I say, we've got three strategies for your take profit. You can rather aim for Asian highs, which is the safest option at all times. Usually can be higher than 1.3%. Typically, it's usually 2% whenever we do this. But just a higher entry this time, so it obviously still would have been profitable. Strat 2, which is our mechanical strategy, aiming at a 2% every trade, would have been profitable. And then stage 3, aiming for any previous high spots or low spots where we know the liquidity is sat. And then there you go. That would have been your best trade of the day at 4.21%. Now, this will come over time. I highly recommend, as a starter, using only the mechanical strategy, aiming for 2% per trade. Now, this is because you may not have the market knowledge or experience to be able to aim for the higher time frame like liquidity spots, but this is something we are willing to teach you in our free Discord, which is in the link below. If you feel like you've learned something from this, please drop a like and head over to the Discord and let us know if you found anything you liked. And with any questions, we'll be happy to respond within probably say a day, because I'm always about. So yeah, to add here, guys, as well. This is the Discord, as I've mentioned. Now, if you get in here while it's free. Obviously, when it becomes a paid premium, you'll get access to that for free with you being an OG member. And as time goes on, we will be looking to hire more people into this company as you become profitable traders. So we want to help you get there and then give you the chance to help us as a company grow. So make sure to join it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed.